life.
The work itself uses these three colours in the form of LED lighting. The LEDs do a couple of things. One is that they are just formal compositions on solar panels. So you're presented first with a series of solar panel works that have LEDs on them, and the solar panels light the LEDs. So they kind of respond to the amount of light that's in the space. So there's two bodies of work. One is the solar panels, and then the next body of work is actually a single work, which spans across the 4 galleries in the space, which is a work called The System, and it's very much a system because it's all connected.
The system is kind of interesting in why he's chosen that, as it refers to a 90s dance club in Dublin in South Ann Street. The system also can be a technological term of using systems with TVs, stereos, but also the notion of turntables. So also kind of saying that the work unfolds into one system. The whole effect of this is an immersive installation, an installation where at once you feel attuned to sight, colour and sound, and experience this journey through the gallery spaces at the Irish Museum.
And there's very apparent sounds in the space, and those sounds are generated by the electricity that runs through the LED lights. The LED lights are directly connected to speakers and amplifiers, so the electricity that lights and dims the lights, the LEDs, is amplified and sounds are heard. And these are all structured and organised in various patterns of on and off, which create this kind of musical composition.
the